Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-keto and low-carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite keto and low-carb pastry or meat pie triangles. So straight into the ingredients. In a mixer, I'm going to add a half a cup of coconut flour and then a half a cup of almond flour. Here I am using a standard cooking measuring cups widely available. And then I'm going to add one medium egg, which has a half a teaspoon of salt. And to help to hold everything together, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum powder. I am also going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'm going to use some tepid room water temperature water to initially add 3 tablespoons of water and mix together. After mixing, I can see our dough is now ready. This is the consistency of the dough that we are aiming for. So 3 tablespoons of water was enough, but it is important to start off with as little as possible of water, and this is the dough that we are aiming for. Now the dough is ready to roll out. It's easy to manage and easy to roll out. Initially I used the rolling pin to roll out the dough, then I moved on to a pasta maker to thin out the dough. For me, the fifth level or setting is enough. Anything more, the dough won't hold and will crumble. Now we're going to move on to shape our triangle pastries or pies. I'm going to use a ravioli or pasta maker to tidy up the sides. Now we are moving on to filling our triangle pastries. Today I am using cooked seasoned beef mince with a little of creamy cheese. The filling, of course, is completely up to you. Place your preferred filling on the edge of the pastry sheet and then shape into a triangle. Now I am ready to cook the triangle pastries. Today I am going to use an air fryer. Before I am going to brush on the triangles with some seasoned olive oil, then place into the air fryer, initially on a low heat, so around 160 for around 5 minutes, and then I'm going to check on them and then maybe add a little more olive oil and turn them around, and then turn on the air fryer for around 20 minutes on an increased heat. Our keto and low-carb meat-filled pastries are now ready. After 20 minutes, the pastries from the air fryer are nice and golden. I also at the same time shallow fried some triangles to see the difference. The shallow fried triangle one is more crunchy. However, the air fry one is still somewhat crunchy, but it's a little drier. Both taste great. I hope you try it out. Any questions, please leave them below. I'll be happy to help. And until next time.